Morphett Air.
G'day, in this video we're just responding to NYFB on our YouTube channel. He just asked us a question regarding the Daikin Zone Controller. He's trying to set the master-slave sensor, and he's pushed the controller and it's gone into inspection mode instead of the field setting mode, the local set that we need to get into to do those settings. So we're just going to show you, we're going to run through that setup and just show you what's actually happening. Okay, so he's saying that it's going into inspection mode instead of local set. So what he's done is he's obviously pressed the test button once, and that's actually brought it into the inspection mode. So if he presses that twice, just to take you back to the normal screen, press and hold the test button, and it'll come up with a local set, and then you can go through as our previous video shows you to set up the sensors, and that's it.